Hi everyone, welcome to Englishify.
Hello! Today we will learn about countries and nationalities. Let's go!
Argentina.
She is from Argentina. She is Argentinian.
People in Argentina speak Spanish. Australia.
He is from Australia. He is Australian.
People in Australia speak English. Brazil.
He is from Brazil. He is Brazilian.
People in Brazil speak Portuguese. Canada.
He is from Canada. He is Canadian.
People in Canada speak English and French. Chile.
He is from Chile. He is Chilean.
People in Chile speak Spanish. China.
She is from China. She is Chinese.
People in China speak Chinese. Egypt.
He is from Egypt. He is Egyptian.
People in Egypt speak Arabic. England.
She is from England. She is English.
People in England speak English. France.
He is from France. He is French.
People in France speak French. Germany.
She is from Germany. She is German.
People in Germany speak German. Greece.
He is from Greece. He is Greek.
People in Greece speak Greek. India.
She is from India. She is Indian.
People in India speak Hindi, English, and other regional languages. Indonesia.
He is from Indonesia. He is Indonesian.
People in Indonesia speak Indonesian. Iran.
She is from Iran. She is Iranian.
People in Iran speak Persian. Italy.
He is from Italy. He is Italian.
People in Italy speak Italian. Japan.
She is from Japan. She is Japanese.
People in Japan speak Japanese. Mexico.
He is from Mexico. He is Mexican.
People in Mexico speak Spanish. Netherlands.
She is from Netherlands. She is Dutch.
People in Netherlands speak Dutch. Nigeria.
She is from Nigeria. She is Nigerian.
People in Nigeria speak English and other regional languages. Portugal.
He is from Portugal. He is Portuguese.
People in Portugal speak Portuguese. Russia.
He is from Russia. He is Russian.
People in Russia speak Russian. Saudi Arabia.
He is from Saudi Arabia. He is Saudi.
People in Saudi Arabia speak Arabic. South Africa.
He is from South Africa. He is South African.
People in South Africa speak English, Afrikaans, and other local languages. South Korea.
She is from South Korea. She is Korean.
People in South Korea speak Korean. Spain.
He is from Spain. He is Spanish.
People in Spain speak Spanish. Sweden.
He is from Sweden. He is Swedish.
People in Sweden speak Swedish. Switzerland.
She is from Switzerland. She is Swiss.
People in Switzerland speak German, French, and Italian. Thailand.
She is from Thailand. She is Thai.
People in Thailand speak Thai. Turkey.
She is from Turkey. She is Turkish.
People in Turkey speak Turkish. United States.
He is from United States. He is American.
People in United States speak English.
Thank you so much for watching our video.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos.